Good morning everyone and welcome to today's UK weather forecast on Sunday the 20th of October 2024. Weather warnings have been issued by the UK Met Office for today. We have yellow warnings for wind and rain covering many northern and western parts of the country, but we have a rare amber warning for wind for western parts of Scotland. Storm Ashley will bring a spell of very strong winds, probably causing some disruption on Sunday. The warning for western Scotland is valid from 9 AM until 1 minute to midnight tonight. Current situation: a deepening and developing area of low pressure storm Ashley is heading in from off the Atlantic. Upper air temperatures are warm. So as we begin with sunny morning, most central, northern and northeastern regions and east regions are dry, but in the west we have got outbreaks of heavy and persistent rain, and it's already windy in the west with gale force gusts up the Irish Sea and off the Atlantic coast west Scotland. Gusts going up to 70 miles an hour, and pretty blustery in central regions as well. Lighter winds over in the east, and it's a mild start as well, with temperature between around 7 and 13 degrees. For the rest of today, Storm Ashley will become a significant feature to the west of Scotland and also Northern Ireland. So you'll find that band of heavy and persistent rain spreading eastwards across many parts of the country this morning. Very wet morning to come. That rain will move quite quickly out into the North Sea though, so as we go into the afternoon, most of the parts of England, Wales staying drier and brighter. However, further squally rain will come back into Scotland and Northern Ireland, and as that happens, the winds will be strengthening as well. So we're going to have a little bit of a lull in the wind through the middle part of the morning in the west, but then the winds really will pick up into this afternoon with widespread inland gusts across Scotland to Northern Ireland going to 60 miles an hour, and around those Atlantic and Irish Sea coast we could see gusts in excess of 70, perhaps up to 80 miles per hour through the course of the latter part of this afternoon and into the evening as well. Damaging and disruptive winds to come. Also later in the evening, some very damaging winds are coming to the far northwest of England, possibly the north of Wales as well, with gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour possible. The south and southeast should have lighter winds, but still, even here, it will be quite breezy. Temperature is going to be ranging from about 12 to 17 degrees, so technically mild, but of course with the strong winds in the north and west, it will feel quite calm. Storm Ashley will then start to move away overnight, so we're going to find wet weather across Scotland and Northern Ireland keep going into the evening, and then gradually turns lighter, more showery as the night wears on. Much of England and Wales staying dry as far as the winds are concerned, but again very windy this evening in the northern half of the country with widespread gusts of 60, 70 miles an hour, even inland, stronger than that around the coast. Later in the night, those winds will start to moderate and move away to the north, but even by the end of the night, still quite windy across Scotland with 50 to 60 miles an hour gusts possible, and it will be a mild night as well in the south anyway, with temperature between around 8 to 12 degrees, but a little bit cooler further north, temperatures there between around 5 to 8 or 9 degrees. Tomorrow, Monday, finds a much quieter day really. High pressure to the south, low pressure to the north. That will bring showers into Scotland, Northern Ireland, England, Wales, mostly dry, but there could be some wet weather in the far southeastern corner, and it will be a pretty mild day. Temperature between around 12 and 16 degrees. Again, we have high pressure south, low pressure to the north on Tuesday. Perhaps morning rain showers for England and Wales, a bit drier for Scotland and Northern Ireland. And again, most temperatures quite mild at 12 to 16. High pressure takes over temporarily on Wednesday, bringing quite a bit of dry weather. Watch out for some fog patches early in the day. Again, pretty mild temperatures, sort of 12 to 16 or 17. And then the next area of low starts heading our way into Thursday. That could bring some wet weather into the west later on in the day. Those temperatures still looking pretty mild in most areas. And that's the weather for this stormy Sunday. Stay safe in those very strong winds in the north, everyone. And we'll end it there. So thanks so much for watching. See you again soon, and bye for now.